Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Okay friends, so today we discuss about how to create the pay heads. This is my part 4th videos. Today we discuss about how to create pay heads. First we understand about pay head types. Friends, this is for your reference. I'm listed earnings for employees pay head, employees statutory deductions pay head, employers statutory deduction pay head, employers other charges pay head, deduction from employees pay head, loans and advances pay head, gratuity pay heads, reimbursement to employees pay head. So these are the types of pay head. First we discuss about earnings for employees pay head. Earnings for employees pay head. So what are the earnings for employees pay head? That is basic, DA, HRA, conveyance, overtime, variable pay. So these are all comes under earnings for employees pay head. Employees statutory deductions pay head. Second one, employees statutory deduction pay heads. So in in this heading, employees PF, employees ESI, professional tax, income tax. So these are all comes under employees statutory deduction pay heads. So third one, employers statutory deductions pay head. Employers, owners. So employers PF, EPS account, employers EPF account, employers ESI contribution, employers NPS. NPS means National Pension Scheme. Okay friend. So regarding NPS we will discuss in next video. So these are the headings comes under employers statutory deductions pay head. So next one, employers other charges pay head. Employer other charges, PF admin charges, EDLI contribution charges, EDLI admin charges. So these are all comes under employers other charges pay head. Next one, deduction from employees pay head. That is canteen deduction. Next one, loans and advances pay head. So that is salary advance, loans to employees, gratuity pay heads. So gratuity. So we will discuss in next video about gratuity. Reimbursement to employees pay head. So reimbursement to employees pay head, medical expenses, telephone expenses, entertainment expenses, tour expenses, etc. So these are all comes in reimbursement to employees pay head. Okay friends, today we discuss, today we learn how to create earnings for employees pay head. So go to the Tally Prime, select create, select pay head, select pay head, create. So basic. So here you have to select earnings for employees. So today we are discussing about earning for employees pay head. So these are all comes under earnings for employees. Select earnings for employees, income type fixed, under indirect expenses. Affect net salary yes. Name to be displayed in payslip basic. Use for calculation of gratuity set to yes. Set alter income tax details set to yes. So here select basic in the list of income tax component on projected value. Deduct TDS across periods, yes. So here calculation type as computed value, as user defined value, flat rate, on attendance, on production. Friends, as computed value, we discuss about as computed value. As computed value. This method is used when the pay value is computed based on certain predefined factors, that is slab rates, pay head, slab rates, pay heads, and so on. For example, DA. So DA is calculated on basic salary. That time you have to select basic salary. So one pay head calculated in another pay head, that is called as computed value. This method is used when the pay value is computed based on certain predefined factors, that is slab rates, pay heads, and so on. So next one, as user defined value. As user defined value means this method is used when the value of pay is not fixed and does not depend upon any pay components. For example, this is decided by the employer. So he can choose the any amount of, for example, conveyance, medical allowances, like that. Flat rate. See here, flat rate means fixed rate. This method is used when the value of the pay head is fixed for the given month. This calculation type is not depend upon attendance or production. For example, conveyance of rupees 800 per month. So that is the fixed rate. But 800 is not for all the employees, that is depend upon nature of the job. For example, CEO, cashier, clerk, HR manager, HR admin, accounts manager, accountant. So this is different to other jobs. Next one, on attendance. This calculation type depends upon attendance records and is used along with rate per unit of attendance. For example, work time of rupees 25 per hour. Suppose you select this option on attendance. So overtime, how much it did overtime. So they will fix the rate per hour. So here I am showing example 25 rupees per hour. On production, this method is used when the pay value is measured based on work done, that is pieces or numbers or boxes produced or manufactured. Okay friend, you understand all these calculation types? Okay, so we move here, we have to select on attendance. So here I am taking example of type of calculation on attendance. Attendance leave with pay, not applicable. Leave without pay, absent. Select here month. See here, if it is daily wages, select days. Suppose you pay the salary of fortnight, that means 15 days. Then you select fortnight. If you pay monthly, you select month. Suppose you pay weeks, select week. So here I am taking months. Basis of calculation per day. As per calendar period. Select as per calendar period, because so in January 31st up to 31st, 31 days are there. In February 28 or 29 days are there. In April 30 days are there. So that's why we select as per calendar period. So according to the month it will be calculated 31 days or 30 days or 28 or 29 days. So rounding method not applicable except basic. Next, DA. Select earnings for employees, select fixed, select group indirect expenses, affect net salary, yes, name to be displayed in payslip, DA, use for calculation of gratuity, set to yes. Friends, here gratuity will be calculated on basic plus DA. So that's why I set to yes. Set alter income tax details, set to yes. So here select dearness allowances in the list of income tax component on projected value, set to yes. So here select as computed value. So DA is calculated on basic salary. So that's why you have to select as computed value. Rounding method, select normal rounding, limit 1, enter. So here on current deduction total, on current earnings total, on current subtotal, on specified formula. So regarding this we discuss now. On current deduction total, on current earnings total, on current subtotal, on specified formula. So these are the computation information. So on current deduction total, this calculation type is used when the value of pay head depends upon the total of the deductions pay heads previously defined. On current deduction total, this calculation type is used when the value of pay head depends upon the total of the deduction pay heads previously defined. So what are the deduction pay head? For example, ESI, PF, professional tax, income tax. Suppose regarding in this total the value is calculated, then you select on current deduction total. So next one, on current earnings total. This calculation type is used when the value of a pay head depends upon the total earnings pay heads previously defined. So total earnings pay head, what are? Basic, DA, HRA, conveyance, overtime, variable pay. So all these gross total. So these are all current earnings total. Next, on current subtotal. This calculation type is used when the value of a pay head depends upon the net total of earnings and deductions previously defined. Next one, on specified formula. This calculation type is used when the pay head value is computed on the value one or more pay head already defined in the pay structure. For example, now I have already created basic salary. Suppose you select on specified formula, you select basic salary and you type percentage of DA on basic salary. Okay. So here I am here I will select on specified formula. Select basic. Select basics. End of list. Effective from by default or otherwise you type 1/5/2020. Amount greater than leave it, amount up to leave it. Slab type, select percentage, CM. Slab types details, types of slab, one is percentage and another one is value. This slab rate is used when the amount is stated as proportion of a whole. For example, 10%, 5%, 15%, 20% on basic salary. So you have to fix the percentage. So company to company, the percentage of DA is varied. Value means this slab rate is used when the amount is stated as absolute value. So here you have to type how much value. So then it will appear automatically value only. Suppose you select percentage and type the percentage. So here I am taking 20% for example. So this is the example percentage I am taking, but you have to careful in your company how much they are taking percentage for calculating DA. So here I am taking only 20%. Accept. So next one. DA over HRA. House rent allowances. This is also earning for employees, fixed, indirect expenses. Affect net salary, yes. Name to be displayed in payslip HRA. Use for calculation of gratuity, no. Set alter income tax detail, yes. Select house rent allowances in the list of income tax component on projected value. So select as computed value, normal rounding, limit 1. Select on specified formula. Select basic, enter, select percentage. I am giving 10% on basic salary HRA. So accept it. So next, conveyance. Earning for employees, fixed, indirect expenses. Name to be displayed in payslip, conveyance. Use for calculation of gratuity, no. Set alter income tax details, set to yes. So here you have to select transport allowances on projected value. So here select as user defined value. As user defined value. Accept. So next, pay head, overtime. Overtime. Earning for employees, fixed, indirect expenses. Name to be displayed in payslip, overtime. Use for calculation of gratuity, no. Set alter income tax details, set to yes. Select overtime. Sorry. Here you have to select other earnings allowances on projected value, calculation period, on production, select overtime, accept. So next one, variable pay. Variable pay, earning for employees. So here select variable, select indirect expenses, affect net salary, yes. Name to be displayed in payslip, variable pay. Use for calculation of gratuity, no. Set alter income tax details, no. Variable pay as user defined value, accept. Okay friends, now we created all the earnings for employees pay head. Okay friends, in my next video we discuss about how to create employees statutory deductions pay head. Okay friends, Thank you for watching my video. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel without fail. Okay, thank you.